Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord mobile. If you can't hear the stream sound or the audio is not working. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, the person sharing their screen must ensure that they have selected the share audio when they start the stream. Okay, so for example, I'm going to go ahead and create a stream right here. Join, enable the screen share like so. Also their mic if available. And after that, there will be a prompt. Okay, if this is the first time you or your friend set it up, there will be a prompt if you want to use or share your audio as well. Well, go ahead and tap on that option. If not, you can go ahead and go to, or your friends can go ahead and go to the settings. So tap on profile, settings right here. Scroll down and find voice right here. Tap on it. Scroll down and find stream attenuation. You're going to want to disable this first, okay? For the person who is streaming, disable this first. Also for you who is listening, disable this first. And after that, go ahead and try to restream. Check if it helps. Now, while watching, you can tap the screen. Okay, I won't be able to do it because I'm the one who's streaming. You can tap on the screen to bring up the stream volume icon. You can go ahead and turn it up and make sure that it's not muted. All right. Also, increase your device volume, just like so. Tap on the three dots right here. Enable media volume as well. Okay, as well as your call volume. Also, make sure when you go ahead and swipe down, your Bluetooth is disabled. Maybe your phone speakers is currently connected to a Bluetooth headphones. Okay, or you could go ahead and use your connected headphones and check if the audio was there. All right, so you could go ahead and switch from phone speakers to Bluetooth or vice versa. Now, if those simple options still doesn't help, well, here are some few more steps. You can go ahead and close Discord. Tap and hold on to it. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and go to storage. Tap on clear cache. And then after that, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Find Discord. Tap on it, and if there are available updates, tap on update, wait for the process to finish and check if it helps. Lastly here, make sure that your Android version is Android 11 and above. As Android 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. is generally required for screen sharing audio and mobile. Alright, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.